Hello everyone, I am Nagaraju. Today I would like to say how to generate emojis in Python. Yes, friends, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and share it to your friends. I definitely provide advanced topics in Python in further days. Let's coming to the topic generating of emojis. First we need to open Python IDE. Yes, friends. Now you can generate the emojis in Python IDE shell. In every emoji having a different unique codes. We have to remember that in your mind. Print 0001F 600. Yes, this is the unique code of one emoji. I don't know whether it is looks like, but I am trying to display whatever it is as a display laughing symbol. After that, print in every emoji up to 1F, everything is same. After 3 digits is different from every emoji. So I would like to write same thing whatever I write in above statement, but I'm trying to change last 3 digits as I want to give 602. As this is also laughing symbol as print Unicode 1F607. S. This is the grinning squinting face. I know some of the Unicodes of emojis. That's why I'm showing. We have to remember that in your mind and keep practicing that emojis, Unicodes. We have to do it. Yes. I want to display rolling face. This is the 923, I think. Yes, this is the rolling face, rolling laughing face. These are the some symbols in Python generating the emojis. As friends, we have to see another one. 1F 640 I want to give 640 650 whatever it is. Yes, this is having video play button. Print 0001F 609 whatever it is. I don't know whether it is. Yes, this is. We are already seen this type of emojis in WhatsApps and messengers. We have to type it and send it to others. This is the process of this is the way to generating the emojis in Python. Yes, friends, I hope you all are understand very clearly. Yes, I am again told you, friends, if you new to this channel, please share and subscribe and like and comment. I definitely provide advanced topics in programming language in further days. Thank you for giving constant support for me. Yes, thank you, friends. Thank you.